Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a Forest River Wildwood FSX. This is a model 179 DBK. It's a double bunkhouse travel trailer, single axle, if you can believe that. They crammed all that into one trailer. A couple things on these to point out. Aerodynamic design. We do have the diamond shield in the front to protect against rock chips. T6 aluminum. This stuff won't delaminate, guys. It's impervious, lasts forever. Solar ready. Zamp solar panel. Simply plug and play, point it at the sun, and you're off grid. Got a full-length awning across the front, and look at that big window. They're putting the big windows in these. We got the radio entry door, the kind we like because they don't leak. Here's the model 179 DBK, and of course single axle. Look at this. If you're outside cooking, what do you always need? Silverware, something out of the refrigerator. Maybe you need water. Look at this. We got silverware drawer. We've got a spray hose. Connects right here, and of course your condiments for the burgers, the hot dogs, that sort of thing, all out here rather than going back in and out of the trailer, back and forth. Got a rear bumper, spare tire, and the bunks have windows. Makes a big difference. You feel claustrophobic if you're in one of those bunk rooms, and it's like being on a sleeping berth in a train, so to speak. But the window, it just opens it up inside. Another outside storage compartment up front. Here's our water fill, power cord, and it does have jacks on both ends. Put the jacks down, nice stable platform. Did I show you those were magnetic fasteners too for the outside cook area? Same with the compartment doors. You don't have to fasten them, you just pop, they stay. Take a look inside. Got the grab handle too. Nice bright interiors. Let's kind of break it down here. We got a front sofa. So the daytime, you got seating for 4 to 6, depending on if they're kids or not. We got some storage here, closet storage. We also have a Murphy bed. That's right, this couch simply pulls out, and we can drop our bed down. I can't do it one-handed, but then in daytime, you just put it back up again, and voila, you've got a sofa. Got a lot of floor room too, so you're not stepping on each other's toes. There is a spot for a television here, TV backer built in there, roller shades. The big windows, aren't they nice? Just open this thing up. Dinette booth can drop down to a bed as well, so you could sleep 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe more. I don't know, depending on their ages. We've got pantry storage. Did you notice they use the hidden hinges like the Wildcats use? Big roller blind for the window too, so you can have your privacy. 2-burner stove. We got our sink, hot and cold running water, of course. Pantry storage up above, and a big microwave with stainless steel fascia. There's also room down here for pantry items, silverware drawer. We got the full-size fridge rather than the little cubby one. See, we got all this room for storage. There's our hubcaps. Need to put those on. The double bunks, of course, you can see what the window does in here. There's also lights with charging stations. So if they got their games or portable devices, that sort of thing, have a lot of fun with that. A lot of storage underneath here. Of course, on the other side, that's our outdoor cooking area. Bathrooms and all-in-one. We've got the sink, toilet, and their shower stall. Power exhaust fan up top. It's right here at Gibbs RV, the 179 DBK Wildwood FSX. You can see it on the web at www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.